playing today?
We are playing a game today after we get done reviewing.
Would it be minus $1?
You don't have to calculate this. It would be, but you don't need to calculate it for these problems.
Oh, okay.
We'll do a practice and we'll work out both of the problems from yesterday on your worksheet together, because it's kind of complicated, so I'll explain that when we get there.
No basketball season. I'm still sucking those on your shoes every game. Yeah. Look the same. Dude. I will. Can't wait. You jacked out of my mind, actually.
First game against TR.
No. Is it really?
Yeah.
That's like a freaking. That would be like Kentucky playing WSU. That's what that game's gonna be like.
More like Wisconsin.
Wisconsin playing WSU. Okay, same thing. A really good team playing WSU is what I'm getting at.
Did you say WSU player tried to top the backboard?
That was a Texas A&M player.
No. There's
A WSU player did it too?
Yeah.
Wow. That's so impressive. How do you even... Oh, God. I can barely even touch a ram. Like, you need to get that high. God, I wish it was. God.
I wonder how I can touch.
I bet you touch like 10 and 9 inches, 11 maybe. I don't think so, probably. You'd be close.
We should get one of those things.
You can throw down pretty well. Yeah, our school should buy one of those.
They're expensive, they're like $600.
Yeah, I know, but worth it.
I'll probably get 2 foot and top 10 snakes in the best.
Those are his legs, his arms, and hands. Is that actually what it's supposed to be?
I think this is design, but it looks like it's like plankton.
It does look like one.
That is plankton.
Is that?
Yeah.
Yeah, you got it. Alright.
We haven't got that yet.
I can't stay in my bad spot, so I'll try.
What car is it?
It used to be on that GTA.
Is it that? But it's loud, is that best?
Actually, there's no that stuff. We use it for, it's got a different motor on it. I don't know, we just use it for drag racing. And it's got like these boxes in the back, and it's like flat
Yeah.
bars on it.
Did you drive it to school or something?
No, she's got home insurance on it. We're getting insurance on it for one day.
Just for the game.
That's pretty sweet. I bet mine kid on the football field.
No, I meant on
I can smoke mine. But
stand.
Heavy.
yeah. Dude, that shit. I didn't even need to. I like need to burn up. I didn't need to smoke. I started smoking on Thursday. Kind of done for, but it's so bad every time.
I got the next time. Let's pick up.
Yeah.
last year. Yeah, almost happened.
It's pretty fun though.
Yeah, it is. And then, I think I did it really well.
I remember one time I told you about driving to Alley Dodge. I was like, this is gonna be
Free now.
I'm gonna drift this, it was raining, you know, I drifted this corner of the pavement, I was like, oh, I gotta go, so I was like, oh, God, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die.
No, but that's the part. Like you had break it, you slam on gas cylinders, and then he said that you start off, and you shift it up, and it was still right now. You shift up to like the drive and then.
Did you see Caleb in his
Okay.
Mustang?
How do you guys feel about that?
Good, that was good.
You good? You gonna go over it?
Sure.
Okay. The first question was, the price of a movie ticket is $4, and the theater decides to lower it to $3. The attendance increased from an average of 20 people per movie to 30 people per movie. Is this an example of inelastic or elastic, and why?
It's elastic because the change in price affects the demand.
Okay.
How many people are going.
Yeah.
Okay, the second question. Greg enjoys Kansas City style barbecue. The per bottle price last year at Gates was $6, and Greg bought a bottle to bring home after vacation. This year, the price had declined to $4 per bottle, and he bought 2 bottles to bring home. Is this a luxury or necessity, and why?
What character Stevens better?
I did not see the NY.
Oh, Josh.
The price of milk rose from $3.50 to $4.50. Jerry does not change how much he purchases. What type of demand is this?
Inelastic.
Why?
Because no
the
matter
change
what,
in price
it's gonna
doesn't
buy it.
affect how much he's gonna buy.
Good.
Nice.
Okay, so now we're gonna do this question from yesterday. We're gonna redo it on the board together, and then I have a different way to look at the 2 questions that we had on the worksheet. So the price of CDs increased from $20 to $22. The quantity demanded decreased from 100 to 87. So the way I like to look at these problems first is to underline, I always underline numbers when I'm doing word problems. So what is the quantity demanded?
100 to 80, right?
Yep.
47.
Whatever.
So this is the first set of numbers that we're gonna work with. Do you remember what we're supposed to do?
The difference
over 100.
over the original.
Yep. So we have 100 minus 87, which is 13, but because it decreased here, we're gonna put a negative in front. And then we divide it by the original number, which is equal to,
Negative .13.
Oh.
okay. Now, what's the second thing we do?
The increase.
We put that over
Not yet. That's the third step. What's the second step we do?
times that by
To
100%.
figure out the price change. So that would be the 20 to 22. We do the same thing without the negative.
Because it's increasing.
And the difference
Yeah.
is 2. I'm gonna run those into each other. And then what number do we divide it by?
20.
Does anyone know what that is?
0.5.
No.
7.
No.
0.1.
Yeah, 0.1, which I guess would be 0.10.
Nice, Josh.
Yeah.
Okay, now what do we do?
What's up, bro?
You had it.
Times by 100. 1, 2,
Yeah.
3, 4, 5, 6. Everybody.
Nice.
If you miss a state,
Give me 100%.
you should just leave us.
Are you just wearing your basketball ornaments right now?
Yeah.
I
It's
almost
the
wore
most
green and
comfortable
yellow
thing.
just to make you guys
That's
happy.
Oh. Yeah, bring the
We'll be
jeans.
back with the win thing.
Actually, whoever doesn't have Gar Pal on, such as someone just wearing red and black, could be representing St. John Endicott.
True.
Where's your loyalty?
Wait, his rather ones are different than mine.
Okay,
Yeah, he got different ones.
Why?
Hey, babe.
I'm wearing short shorts. I want you to take
I think
that into
Caitlin won this
consideration.
one.
I didn't win that pink.
I want you to take
But
this
you
into
only yesterday,
consideration.
didn't you? I didn't do car yesterday.
I want you to take this into consideration.
I
I'm
go
wearing
Ian
short shorts.
and Caitlin.
Holly, I want you to take into consideration
Josh.
that
And
if
the
you're
whole
only wearing
class.
red and
The whole
black,
class.
you
The whole
could be
class.
going for St. John Endicott. If you're
True.
wearing anything that says G
Don't
class.
even-
You are wearing a little bit more red than black too, and their main color is red.
Don't even give me that.
And you're not wearing anything Gar Pal. It
Boom.
doesn't say Gar Pal anywhere.
Boom.
It doesn't need to.
Gar Pal, Gar Pal, Gar Pal.
Who wants chocolate, who wants Gatorade?
I want
Gatorade.
chocolate.
I want the Gatorade.
I don't care.
Chocolate. my
Did
God.
seniors win or something, or what is?
No,
Or
we
anything else?
Ian.
No,
We
we just
have
haven't.
to.
We just forgot to give out prizes
Do you have
last
any
like 4
scissors?
days, so
Yeah,
That's
like
true.
each
Like,
day.
We
my
cut
friends
that
sticker
up.
day, and I'll dress up as
we did it for everyone else.
Save
Else
the
is class
dust.
and seniors for some
Where are the
reason.
turtles?
I think you're just split up.
Why did they give out prizes and only to some people?
They give out prizes to the winner of the class that day.
I'm wearing freaking
Well, I want
shorts.
my-
So like yesterday, I won our
You
class
got the,
yesterday.
And I
yeah. You
won-
deserved it yesterday.
And I won my figure, but you know, they didn't give me anything, so.
I didn't get anything yesterday.
That was bogus.
See, Quentin like tapped his, he honestly hates me today, even though I was gonna try and go to his baseball game.
Mark, I hate you every day.
Oh, wow.
This is honest.
Mark, will you still go to my baseball game?
You're actually my favorite teacher, to be honest. But that's just
I'm
because
actually
of you.
plowing tomorrow.
You're just
Other
sucking
than
up
you.
now. I was kidding, man. We're not one, you know.
Okay. What's the answer for that calculation?
Yeah, that's you.
Yeah.
Negative 1.3.
Nope, not this calculation,
Definitely not.
I'm just saying
this
as
whole thing.
Be like,
We're working through this in steps because it's easier if you do it all step by step.
Negative 130.
Nope.
What?
You're overthinking it, all of you. What is,
Well, it'd be 13.13, and then it'd just be 13%, wouldn't it?
yep,
nice.
Oh, I see what you mean now. I messed up.
Yeah, that's my mom though.
okay,
I was just wrong.
now you can do the other calculation.
You said you have goals. Negative 13 divided by 10.
Yep,
1.3. Negative.
See, how's just my phone?
See, I was just trying to go ahead, you know. Get it done.
I'm gonna slow you down at the beginning because it's a lot easier if you write down step by step what you're doing.
Yeah, speed ratio.
Yeah, Josh.
Okay, so does this make pretty good sense? You ready to tackle the ones that we did in the worksheet?
Potentially.
Something like that.
Okay,
Do it.
If you leave that up there.
Yeah.
if I leave that up there, no, that's cheating.
Yeah, some did. This is good. How much were you mentioning yesterday?
Okay, so I need
135.
one person to volunteer to be our scribe on the board.
I'll do it.
You wanna scribe? Okay.
Get a Microsoft.
You like that?
I'm feeling better. I'm feeling better. Where's the waste?
These are gonna come with me.
I was going to try and borrow someone's, but no one is up there, so just.
Okay.
Stop. I'm gonna wait back to me. No, Michael. I don't like the waste.
I'm gonna hand out these steps randomly, and we're gonna work through each of them together.
Whoa. Whoa.
Okay,
Unless everybody else wears that
who
like
has step one?
My gosh.
I do.
Okay, what does it say?
Percent change in a quantity A. Original 10, new 8.
And then the next page? That
Ten.
shows the calculation you need to perform.
10 to 8 equals something divided by 8.
Okay. What, you guys all have your worksheets from yesterday?
I'll write that down.
Yes.
Just this or
Just the 10 to 8 and the divided by. Okay, and what was that? Can you read out the first, just the underlined section?
percent change in quantity A.
Okay, so that's the percent change in quantity. What are we supposed to do with this piece?
Find the difference.
Mhm.
There's -2. Or is it 2? Or is
It'd be
it
-2 because it decreases.
And -2.
Nope, the -2 on this side.
Nice.
Okay, and then what do we divide it by?
10 on the other side.
Yep.
I can't.
0.5.
That's all we do.
There you go. Okay, who had step number 2?
I think I did.
Okay, what, read it out.
Percent change into a dollar. Original $3, new $3.75.
Okay, and then flip the page, and that shows the calculation.
3 to 3.75 equals divided by question mark.
It's an increase.
What's the difference?
0.75 on the left side button.
Yep. Somebody else tell me what we divide by.
0.75 or negative, so.
Yep. Good job, Quentin.
Nice.
Okay, and what's that calculation? Anyone know?
Quickly do it in your head.
Oh, I forgot to do step 1.
Oh, wait,
Oh, I did that math wrong. It is not 0.5, it is
0.25.
0.02, or 0.2, not 0.5. Sorry, didn't catch that.
0.2.
Yeah.
Negative?
Yep,
Nice.
there you go. Okay. Step 2. What do you, anybody know what that answer is? 0.25. Good job.
2. Solid.
Who has step 3?
Caitlin. Don't get.
Okay, so we take both of those answers and multiply them by 100.
So -0.2
Yep.
over 0.25.
So -20.
Oh, that's -20.
Would that be? Right, it goes to the right.
Yeah.
And then make over, and
Well, it would, yes.
And then over 20.
20%.
then over 25%.
Yep.
That over.
Mhm. And who has step 4? We got that one right. Okay, what do we do?
Wherever it says lines,
So you take your,
and then
that number, which is where the line is, and you calculate out the answer.
you can calculate out the answer. Do it,
So
put
negative 20
Yep.
divided by 25.
There you go. And can anyone do that math?
like negative something.
Like, notes.
I'm guessing -2. Negative negative
So-
2. Negative.
Negative 20. 0.5. Negative 0.8.
Oh.
Yep.
Alright.
And what does that represent? You remember?
R.
The change in elasticity.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so that was the first question that we didn't get to yesterday. So now I'm gonna do this again with the second question, and I'm not gonna help this time.
Can I still be described?
You can if you would like.
Okay.
It's good he's a girl.
I don't know who's doing that.
Okay.
The short say it all.
True.
It's not bad. I represent my fam.
Kansas.
Just excuse.
JK, I don't even know where my family's from.
Oh.
Why you gotta go there?
You did it.
Just say it.
Okay,
Speak the truth.
start at step 1.
So there's that stuff.
Yeah, you got step 1?
Yeah.
You got step 1. Alright, let's see it, Pete. Ah! Does that say DAWs?
Doesn't.
Ah, nice.
I didn't have enough room to write the whole word out.
240. So,
Search up for bars.
-10.
Were you searching up for bars?
So then do the -10. Yeah, that thing. -10.
And then 50 out there, so. Solid. Okay, step 2. What does that equal up? Okay, so now it's 0.5. I don't know. Casey, you did it on your calculator.
Casey, how'd you crack it from?
I'll pull that out of my pocket.
Like it fell?
No, it's just came out crack. So we're done. True story.
Go on, Casey.
Hey, you wanna figure out negative .3?
Dang it. Okay.
It's what it says. Okay.
Step 2. Okay, and then it's $426. They go in front of them. Doesn't matter. And then that thingy, and then so it'd be
Is that for
2 on the left side, then 4 on the other side. That would be 0.5. Case, try me.
What is it?
See if that's 0.5.
2 down to the 4? What?
Do 2 divided by 4.
Okay, 0.5.
Yeah.
Step 3 says, blank times 100 over
Times
blank
both of them by
times
100. Oh yeah. Something like that.
Wait, is that Parker or is that Danielle?
Someone in the back answer that, please.
Give it, Mike.
Show algebra skills.
Oh, algebra skills.
That would be calculator. Calculator.
Hey, good question.
I hung out with Parker yesterday.
I didn't touch it.
Didn't have Parker yesterday?
We all did.
Oh, really? She was at Rosar's.
She met us at practice. And this one practice.
Not my idea. Swear.
-3.
Swear.
You're skipping a step.
We would know.
What
though.
is
Didn't do
both
the
sides of the
practice. We won't practice.
Fraction.
I wasn't. I was
multiplied by
actually
100.
helping
Where-
and throwing rocks.
Where's your phone fall off?
It fell off
To the
outside
right twice.
fence in the grass.
That's when it was to the right.
Wait for it to
do. For the 2 and
No, I wasn't texting. It was in my pocket. I had to go find it. I didn't know where it fell off.
20. Just 20.
Yep.
I didn't know.
Well,
I didn't know.
negative 20.
Okay, go negative 20.
Negative 20.
Over,
Nice.
over 50. There you go, big guy. And then for the second one, which is the second step, one.
Ah. New step. Wait, this step?
This,
Okay.
There's some same step.
Tell me what to write, Josh.
I don't know, I can't see the numbers. I don't know. Oh, we're good. Yeah, we're good. We're good. We're good. Sorry. My bad. Yeah, we're on 4. Good job, big guy. You know what you do.
Yeah.
So that. Oh, it just divides this.
It's
0.8. It's gonna be.
Just do it.
Casey, calculator, dude. We need you.
Josh, you have a phone too, don't you?
No, I don't.
No, that sucks.
Yeah, it does.
I've already texted. Oh, please don't scrap later. That's my
What do you got? It's 0.4.
Negative 0.4.
Yeah.
Though.
Same thing.
That's alright, you get next.
Okay, how do you all feel about that?
100%
You feel
confident.
pretty confident you did it right?
If I had a calculator,
I know, just
Using-
saying that.
We're gonna go through it.
Um,
Step 1. Is that the same?
Yes.
Yeah.
Step 2.
Yes.
Step 3.
Yep.
And step 4.
Yes.
Good job.
Nice work, guys.
Yes! All thanks to Casey's calculator.
Josh, you should have taken pre-cal with me.
That's
What?
okay.
You should have taken pre-calculus with me.
No. I don't have a chance.
Thank you for writing for me.
It's
I need to
it
put
was
that
impossible.
Oh, yeah.
It was so hard.
I heard that pre-cal is a lot harder than calculus.
Okay, can you all pass the sheets this way, please? The colored sheets.
Mark, can I get a pop tart? Casey, get it. I have no motivation now.
You guys want to be better.
I was trying to get that done to get a pop tart.
Everybody wanna be pretty up?
Okay, thumbs away. The faster we get through this, the more time we can have to play the game at the end.
Get a pop tart.
So today we're talking about negotiation. And it's Friday, so I figured it was a special day to have a meme.
I got tons.
How many of you were this kid? You guys, yeah. I was this kid. My parents chased me around trying to get me to go to bed, and I very rarely won the negotiations. But everyone can negotiate. It doesn't really take any kind of a special skill. It just knowing what to say to certain people. So today our objectives are to explain the importance of honesty when negotiation, discuss the purpose of bargain hunting, and demonstrate the tactics of negotiation. What do you think of when you hear the word negotiation?
Trying to make a deal,
Trying to make a deal? What else?
negotiating.
What is negotiating?
When you try and like meet a
This
level
is
spot or something, or like when you try and like get what you want out of the deal and the other person's trying to get what they want.
Bargaining.
Did anyone think about honesty?
Oh,
No.
Mostly about what other people want you to buy, right? That's mostly what we think about. Honesty is really important when we think about negotiation. I know last week when I came to visit, you guys were talking about ethics. Who can summarize what ethics means?
Good, bad. Yeah.
Morals.
Morals and immorals. Good man.
Mm-hmm. So why would having ethics be important when you're negotiating?
Because if you have immorals, then it's not good.
Why? Would people still want to work with you?
No.
No? I know you guys talked about that last week too. That has to do with your reputation. So you want to have a good reputation so people still come back and try to work with you. And that part of that is keeping your word, keeping up your end of the deal. Does anyone here bargain hunt?
When I got in Mexico. True.
Do you know what bargain hunting is?
Looking for the cheapest stuff, best deal.
Mm-hmm. Yep. And this is the definition I found. A person who looks for a place to buy something at a price that is cheaper than usual. So one of the first things I think about is at a car dealership, when you go buy a car, you don't just buy it for the price that's listed on it. You try and negotiate for what you want. Does that make sense? Can anyone else think of any other examples of places you would bargain hunt?
If you're looking to buy a house.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. How would you?
Grocery store.
You can't really.
Grocery stores.
I don't think you can do it.
Yeah, that doesn't really work.
That's how you say it.
Does bargain hunting relate to negotiation?
Yeah.
Yeah? How?
You're trying to look for the best deal.
It's kind of the same idea, yeah. You negotiate when you bargain hunt. That's the whole point of bargain hunting, is you want to work with other people so you can get the best deal possible. So here are some of the steps to negotiation. Decide if you and the other person disagree, because if you don't disagree, there's no point in negotiation. Tell how you feel about the problem to the other person. Let them tell you how they feel about the problem. Listen to their answer and consider yours, and then suggest or ask for a compromise. Does that make sense?
Yep.
Okay, so I'm going to hand out card pieces to everyone, And we're all gonna be our own team.
Dude, I am a team leader.
So after I get these handed out to everyone, you can start looking at them, and I'll give you a minute to decide what pieces you're missing. And then we are going to give more directions then. Do you want to play in?
I would love to do. I love games. You've got a lot.
Those are all mine?
Yep.
You got a lot. I'm jealous.
You got a lot.
Ooh, I think I got more.
I might need them. Don't look at them yet.
Oh,
Don't touch it.
that's a lot of cards.
You're on the counter.
You can give me like 3. That would be fine with
Lucy, don't even look at it.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to
Uh-huh.
steal a couple.
Take that. Okay. Look at this card.
me. How long did it take you to cut all those?
A really long time.
Yeah.
And my hand really hurt afterwards.
This now.
They don't need.
Hey, don't shoot that.
That'll take forever. Got 52 cards before.
Oh my god, yeah.
Okay. You have 1 minute to decide what card pieces you're missing.
What?
Go.
Wait, what if we,
How's that even possible?
so is this a 5 now, or is this a 6?
That's a 6 and that's a 5.
Dang it.
Oh, it's not that one. That is the same card.
And it was a brand new deck of cards, so I know there's no
Sweet!
doubles in
I
there.
have a full card.
Here it is, Jeff.
Yeah. Okay, I'll hold on. Were there multiple cards of each?
Nope,
No,
this
but
is a
it's
brand
the
new
other, it's the
deck.
other side, I bet.
That's impressive. I'll shoot out 2 cards.
What?
That's
I
dope.
don't think that's right.
How's that happen?
Is that one card?
I'm good at what I do, you guys.
Okay, you have 5 seconds left. Are you guys
What?
ready?
Not even
That's not even a thing!
Do you want to negotiate for some more time?
Yes.
Yes!
How do you
What is
negotiate?
this? What is this? This is. Oh, this is my setup. I was like, what?
Okay, do you need more time?
Yes.
Okay, I'll give you another minute.
Oh, I think I got the full card.
Yeah, I do.
Why'd you write on this card?
Some of them I wrote on so you could see the number on all 4 pieces.
What else was that?
Dude, I have a full card. I don't think.
Okay. I'm done. No,
Wait, what, Jeff?
we need more time.
How are you done?
Okay, well, you're at the 2-minute mark right
Oh
now.
my god, Josh is fast.
I have 2 cards.
Oh, is it?
You have 2 full cards.
Yeah.
Oh, here's your last screen.
I'm just organized.
Yeah, I'm not.
And you didn't have barely any.
You mad, buddy?
He is. He's a little
Yes, dude, I'm salty.
Why are you so
Hard.
angry all the time?
Mark, since I'm done, can I get a Pop-Tart?
Oh my god.
Hey.
3?
Hey. Can we negotiate with each other?
That's what we're gonna do after
Oh,
we
okay,
get done.
Casey, obviously serious.
Yeah. No, don't start ahead.
Don't even start with us, Josh. Yeah, Josh. Josh.
I'm not sure.
Do we want more cards? I'm just gonna get rid of my cards. If they need. I do need the 7s though. Clubs.
Yeah, I'm done.
don't know what I'm doing.
Are you taping them down right now? Are you taping them down right now? Dang it.
It does. I just separated.
And if there's no machines in part, when that two clubs
You might not have whole pieces.
That's how that is.
Turn it upside down and think of Larry. How would you think out that?
Who does this? This fit?
Yeah,
Does it?
switch them.
This.
Yeah, switch those. Yeah, there you go. There you go.
What a dang it.
Guess I feel. Oh. It went in your shoe.
Get it out, dude.
Oh, you're so sweaty.
Ian has a
Full
card.
card now.
I have 2 full cards.
Nice.
And you should have another one.
Ian, you're 3. Oh my god.
I was just trying to set him out first, guys.
Ian! I have 5 full cards. You have 4. 4.
You have 5.
I'm putting 2.
4 cards.
And a 3.
Ian!
Oh my god.
Do not even know.
And I think you have an ace too, by the way.
Oh, Caleb has a lot too. Me and Casey have the least. Casey, why don't you put your 2s together?
Right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why don't you put them with those?
You want to choose one?
Yeah, they are. It literally says 2 on it.
Ah.
Nah. Are these mine?
I have 2 cards now.
Sneaky thing. Okay, I'm gonna need bottles for your turn. We can do a simple trade.
I'll give you $1 for all your cards. Yeah, you'd like that, wouldn't you?
Okay, so is everyone ready to go to the next part?
Yeah.
Okay, so now what's gonna happen is when I say go, you're gonna start negotiating with each other to try and get as many full cards as possible. Whoever has the most full cards wins.
Oh my gosh.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Any confusion? Okay, ready? I'll give you about 20 minutes. Go.
Does anyone have a 10 of diamonds? Like bottom.
Queen.
Yeah,
You guys should have
Who
hearts, Bob?
has 4? I half of a 4.
bottom? 10 of diamonds? So I have it?
4 clubs.
I need
I'll give you this one.
side piece for.
Josh, you got 10
I'll have a
hearts?
side piece for
Bottom?
So I have 4
Yeah,
clubs.
what do you got?
I want this one, Josh.
Dude, I want that.
Hold on.
This, that, and
that queen for
if you give me that 4,
Okay.
Casey, what do you need? Because I need that 4 clubs.
Come here, leash.
Casey,
10 of diamonds, bro.
what do you want for that 4 clubs?
Dude, I don't need it.
Okay,
You
wait.
want that 5? I'll give you a piece of 5. I
Do
don't
you need
clubs for
any of
that.
these pieces?
Come on. For both the 4s? Yeah, dude.
No.
And a 8.
No, I don't have any 8.
Why do you want 8?
Yeah.
Dude.
Oh, I could. I'll trade you.
Okay,
Where's that?
8 of clubs for that 3 clubs. For the 3 clubs right here. I have that other 2 sets.
Yeah, you have
That's
the
on
player part, because you have all the
case.
separate
Oh, wait,
cards.
For the
Case.
those 2 hearts?
Case.
I get 2 hearts and you get 3
Josh.
hearts.
I need that. What do you want for it?
Wait.
Something. Give it any of these. I do. There you go.
Sorry, okay.
In case.
I was lost for a second. So, for the 4 clubs, I'll give you my 3 of hearts.
I traded Caitlin for it. So I got
4 clubs, I give you my 3 of hearts. Easy.
Okay. I need the bottom.
Casey,
To the
4
5
clubs,
of
3 of
diamonds.
hearts.
That's all I need. The bottom to the 5 of diamonds. Right there, Mike. That's all I got left.
Dude, what, you just messed my
That's all I
freaking
got
ace
left.
up.
Sorry.
God.
Yeah.
Dude, this is an 8 or 9.
This is an 8 or 9. Okay, so
Okay.
that's all I
It's
needed.
nine.
Who has a 7 of hearts? Who has a 7 of hearts? It's like,
I think.
what do you
Yeah,
need?
that's a 9. See the way the angle is.
I have a-
right, left side of a queen of hearts.
I have a jack of clubs.
Actually, that may be a 6.
And an 8 of hearts, and a 5 of clubs, and an 8 of clubs. I'll give you.
Oh yeah, I could do 6 too.
Dang it! You could just give me that.
So
Set
what
the
happens when I
parking
have
ticket.
cards that I need?
Yeah.
You good for it? You don't have any use for it?
Yeah, I don't care.
Just wait.
I don't need to trade for anything else.
Yeah, 60 bucks.
What the heck?
Okay,
It's like I don't have any other.
Yeah.
Okay, Ian, Josh, when do you guys have to have the 6 club?
So maybe try and talk your peers into giving you cards.
Where's the 6 club?
Well, you just
Who is 5 of club? Who is the 5 of clubs, like the
It's all part of
sides?
negotiation, start from nothing.
Who's the, you have 5 of clubs on the papers? 3,
Kind of all excuse me right here.
Give the 5 of clubs. Ace of diamonds. Give the 5 of clubs.
I would greatly appreciate this.
I need those,
I don't-
Casey.
No, I need those.
Negotiate.
I need those.
Casey, I need those.
I need
Negotiate.
those.
Wait, take it. Just take it?
Here, I'll
Yes,
give you.
another couple pieces.
Yeah, I'll give you those. I'll give you those 2 for
So
I
I
much.
need you to help me out here,
that,
buddy.
that, and that. Those 3.
What about this
I'm
one?
gonna trade you this for this.
Do you absolutely need this? Does anyone need?
9 for 9.
Do you absolutely need this back?
Deal.
Casey, deal.
Do you need
Deal?
this, man?
Yeah, all 3 of those. This one. This one.
Quentin literally has all he needs.
So do I. I just filled mine out.
So it's.
Yeah, you lost it.
Casey, I don't want to hear you back talk right now.
Oh, is that a 6?
Where's my 9 of, did you take my 9 of clubs?
Oh, I need
My 9 of hearts?
Alright, Mike, I need 2 more pieces from you.
Dude,
I need you to do me a solid.
I put this in you.
That's it.
So in that case,
That one,
Mike, that's a 6. You're right.
Where's my 8 of, I need 8 of hearts.
Someone just hooked me up in that. This is
Definitely mine.
Does Michael have 8 of hearts?
You wanna hook me up, big guy?
Wait, Casey needs this one. Casey, you need this one.
What?
You wanna hook me up, big guy?
Or, yeah, you need this one.
Yeah. Mike, what do you want
Oh,
for the 8 of
yeah.
diamonds?
It's 8 of hearts.
Ace.
The left side of a for clear apart.
This is absolutely
What
right.
part of that one?
You need to
I
clean
don't know. I
apart.
had 3 and now I
Left
only
side.
have 2.
Okay, one
There's not
more.
enough to write. That was my
Mike, I need
idea.
one more from you.
That's weird because I don't know what you're talking about.
Mike, what do you want for that 8 of diamonds?
Ace diamond.
We don't.
Michael has.
This is
Oh,
the
has
last
9
one.
of hearts?
This
I
is the
think
last
so,
one I need,
Michael.
Mike.
I think so, Michael.
I don't exactly know. what I need.
This is the last one I need.
Okay, take it.
This is the last one I need.
Are you sure,
9 of
Ian?
hearts.
Are you sure?
And that one.
Are you gonna give me anything?
Michael, I'll give you my love.
Kaylin, you want that one?
That's good.
Yeah.
Mike, these go together, big guy.
And
Hey,
then-
Mike.
Hey, no, and then you
Yeah,
do
no.
Michael.
No, they don't.
Hey, hey, and then you, Mike, Casey.
How many cards do you have?
And then I
Well,
give-
then
and then
it'll
you
be
give
like
Michael
this.
this. Perfect.
Hey, Michael, give me this one.
These go together.
Okay. For.
Michael has all the card cards. So.
What was that? I need diamonds.
Like, you've had so many matches.
I need 2
I think
diamonds.
that's the aim.
For. Where's the other 8 of hearts?
Except the difference between you and me is.
I just trying to figure out. I just want this one.
Yeah, Caitlin has it.
My dude,
She should, she could.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
don't think this is.
Yeah, that's right.
Michael, I need your help.
Josh, you got the 2 pieces I
I
need.
need your help. I need this piece.
Huh?
You have the 2 pieces I need, but
What pieces?
the rest of the 10 clovers.
Clubs.
Clovers?
Hey, dude, I don't think that's a
Club.
Yeah, I need this
At the
piece.
clovers.
Definitely is.
At the
No,
clovers.
that's a spade.
That is.
I need this piece.
Where's the 10
I'm so confused right now.
Oh, I didn't know they were together. That was 0. Wait, there's no 0. Whoops.
Oh, I think this is the heart of heart.
One's right here, but.
My bad.
What do you do when all your cards are full?
No, that's part of his.
You can try and negotiate for extra pieces from people.
I'm
You
gonna
can start with nothing.
I'm gonna
and
give
try
her
and
some.
get
I'm gonna give her some
other
of mine.
ones.
Why? The point is to.
I have 4.
So I can have this one?
I have 4.
You have that heart, the 8 of hearts.
How about that one then?
Okay, so you just brought up a good point.
No.
We've
Michael,
been
don't
here
give him any.
for
Don't just give
about
him.
7 minutes.
You don't have to.
I'm gonna let you guys
No, so I
team
can have
up.
this?
Michael, no, don't let him
So I can
take
take
that.
this piece?
Michael!
He's gonna let you take your
So I
card.
can take this
You
piece
no!
out of here, Mike?
Michael, that isn't full
He's
card.
gonna take
So I
a
can
full
take this
card.
piece?
Michael, you just gave him a full card. Don't do it.
So I can take this piece?
Don't.
Full card. Do
Michael,
not.
don't.
Say no. Say
Michael,
no.
no!
Say yes.
Just say no.
You have 3 seconds.
No!
Okay, fine.
Okay, did you guys hear me?
Or you need this piece.
You can team up now. Team up
Ian,
with
let's
a
team up.
partner.
What do we do?
Because the Jimmy's is.
Am I?
Come big Michael for these pieces, bro.
There you go in.
This was the card for these two. I was wrong about my assistant. He's not trying to get full card.
Mike, don't, they're teamed up, man. Don't let them out here.
Wait, are we teamed up?
No, not
You're
at all.
not together. I'm with
I
Casey.
need this piece. I need you.
Yeah, they think
I
that
need
Mike's
you to
gonna
give me this
have all
piece,
the
Mike.
pieces already, but yeah, whoever
Yeah,
controls,
you have all the
especially
extra
missing
pieces.
pieces.
Oh, how many do you have?
Powerhouse.
I have this piece. So this is how it's gonna go down. I'm gonna help you.
15.
We teamed up. This is how it's going.
You guys have 22.
Yeah. Not anymore. You have 21. You need this piece to complete that
Okay, what are
card.
cards?
You're not gonna get it unless you either give me this piece
From
or
me?
full card.
He did.
Which one did you take?
Michael, don't.
Oh no,
don't
yes,
let
yes,
him-
yes. If you get it
Michael.
right, then I'll let you have it back.
Get that back.
Oh my god. It's not the Joker.
Joker was mine.
Yeah, it is. It's all mine.
If you guess it right, I'll
Sure,
give it
check.
back.
I'm pretty sure you checked it wrong.
Okay, this is a full card.
I think it was 7 clubs.
Nope.
What was it?
2.
I still want the cards.
So what? Took 2 more than one? Is that just a card?
Casey, team up with us, dude.
You can only team up with one person.
Can you? No. That's not the rule, is it?
Just with one person.
Oh my god. That's a dumb rule.
Josh, quit that. Come with me.
But I already gave Caitlin all my cards.
And my card.
No, I need.
Put the new one.
Like you're done. Just stop negotiating.
I have all my cards, full cards.
Then you have to team up with Casey now.
Okay, so everyone has all their full cards.
Everyone has all their full cards. Okay, sit back down in your seats.
I think I got one wrong though. I'm not very
Yeah, cup.
I can't believe it. Oh, this one goes to this. That's why.
Nice.
Wait, then what? Oh, it's the bottom of the
Ian.
That makes sense.
Ian, finally I have a jersey that makes me look like the beast I am.
Okay.
It's like still loose.
So at the top it is. Because Riley Hodges and all the ones.
And Ian Evers.
Let's go in a
And
minute.
Ben Lynch. And all
Okay, everybody focus back up here, please. What was, you're gonna go around the room and talk to each of us what the strategy was while you were negotiating.
They don't come to me.
Okay, I'll get back to that. That's a good one.
take all your
Caitlin?
cards.
Well, it worked.
Figure
in the
out
case
what
of-
I had that people needed.
Mm-hmm.
I just kind of gave my cards away.
Casey?
I don't know, go to people, yell at them, tell them not to share with other people. My fault.
Did that work well for you?
Casey.
It didn't work well for me, I guess. But
Ian?
Show them with kindness. Like, oh, Michael.
What?
Just give me that one card.
Big.
It didn't work.
I'm
Big.
begging.
Big? Okay. Who thinks what strategy, tell me what strategy you think worked best.
Being nice.
Being nice?
Michael's was pretty nice.
Yeah?
If he just would have played his cards right, he could have it.
Yeah, I want to play this card that you would
Michael, you.
How many of you, at the beginning when you started putting cards together, felt like you were gonna win?
Caitlin
because you
already
had a lot
had,
of
like,
cards.
Oh, I did
Yeah.
not think that.
90% of
I
her.
thought I was thinking last.
Yeah, I started out with 5.
Yeah, Caitlin already had like 90% of her cards already.
Did Michael have a lot of the power though?
Yeah.
Because he had all the extra pieces that you needed, right?
Yeah, but he was so.
I would've treated
Yeah,
one
just
piece.
take all this, just take it. That was.
I can't handle the pressure.
What were some of the individual techniques that you combined with other people to get more of what you both wanted?
Talk to each other up.
Yeah.
I really don't think I ever traded with you.
I traded with Casey.
No, you didn't trade with me. I dropped a piece on your desk. I'm just kidding.
What was the fastest way you found to get your cards put together from all the random pieces? Anyone?
See what
You
you
went
missed.
pretty fast, Caitlin. How
Well, I
fast?
started out with 6 full cards.
And then I still want Ian.
I took it back though.
You did? Oh, you jerk.
Okay, so
Oh, you
now
do
we're gonna go around the room and everyone tell me how many cards you have. I know that
Josh's.
Josh and Caitlin teamed up. How many cards did you two have as a team?
As a team, we have 14.
14?
Me and Casey teamed up.
And how many did you two have?
I had 9.
And I have 8. I have 8.
So that's
17.
17. Okay, and you had
23 as a team.
23. How many did you two have?
We didn't cheat.
14.
Michael.
Yeah, I
Okay,
did.
so Quentin and Ian won as a team.
Yeah.
How many, do you remember how many you had by yourself?
He had 4.
I think.
You had 4? Okay, how many did you two have separately?
I have 12.
5, 12.
12?
Wait, we got 24 then.
9?
You have
Okay.
11.
What was something that helped you get more pieces, Quentin?
Ian, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Why do you count? This isn't yours, this is mine.
Okay. How did you get so many pieces, Quentin? What was one of the tactics you used after you filled all your cards?
Well, Michael gave me 2 full cards. I just had to sit and ask. So,
Helping my community.
What was something you found that was a motivator to let people give you cards, to get people to give you cards?
Michael, I need this card. Please let me have it. And then you'd be like, I don't care, take it. Like, okay.
Casey, you said you opted to yell at people. Was that a motivating factor?
Kind of. Like, at first I was like, Michael, don't let him take it. And then he let him take it first. And then Quentin kept talking to him, and then he let him take it.
So were the three of you all negotiating together?
Pretty much.
Pretty much. He was negotiating against you, and you were trying to get your cards from Michael?
Yeah. And who won, Casey?
He just took straight advantage of Michael.
Let us.
Yeah, we did do that.
Okay. So now I have a little, it's gonna be your exit slip, so you need to hand it to me before you leave the room. It just has a couple questions on it. Pass all your cards down to me. I want all
think I don't have
of
any?
them
It just
back.
took forever to cut.
It did take forever to cut.
Like,
I want all of them back because I don't want to have to cut up another deck.
like an hour.
It probably took,
Did you have to
yeah.
buy the deck too?
No, I had a deck.
What's up, Mike?
How did you and Cameron miss me yesterday?
Miss you?
Yeah, like the tackle.
I don't remember when was that.
Well, they kind of like stopped. Like tried.
On what?
What was it? Was
Oh, on the option.
It was like
when
what-
we were coming at you
Yeah,
like
you
hot.
like
How
both
many
did too.
pieces?
it was because he blew the whistle
Yeah, he blew
when
the
they're
whistle.
like almost at you.
He blew the whistle after I passed it.
It was kind of like I want to get there, but I don't want to make it
Yeah, they
happen.
blew was like right when we were coming towards you, like.
I thought it was after I passed it.
They got
No, they were like right at you and then.
Then they like blew whistle, then we just ran past you, couldn't stop.